it's not.
Oh my god.
No.
Psycho. Getting in some pre-nutrients. Pre-Stairway to Heaven. Okay, so which way are we taking to see the Stairway to Heaven?
So we're taking the legal route, which is a lot longer.
Which will keep us from getting fined $1,000 each.
We're walking up Moanalua Valley Trail. I believe about 4 miles. The stairs go up to the northeast side of the island, so like the Kaneohe side. We're on the south side, so we're near the Moanalua. If we were to walk down the stairs, which would be illegal, would be in Kaneohe.
This hike right now is like straight up, kind of climbing.
See that point way up there?
Uh-huh.
Holy
Either that's,
I really hope it's that one. Oh my god. This makes me scared right here. We got the ocean right here. And we got the ocean over there. That's a little scary! Ty's built different. That's all we have to go up. How do you feel about that?
Great.
Daniel's one with nature. He just took this bee off me.
Is that a bumblebee?
It's a little honeybee. I love bees. Excuse me, buddy.
He likes you.
Wicked worms.
Alright,
We'll keep it low.
Blanche just ate a worm. Ew.
How do you zoom in? Because Ty's a little speck. Right there.
I don't understand how you all don't have mud over every inch of your body. I'm covered.
A second one?
Oh! How's she taste?
That one was a lot better. A little tangy, a little muddy.
Give us the reviews.
I recommend.
I'm not taking that recommendation. I think that you should never do this hike with guys because currently they're racing up this and Ty's like right there. And I can't even imagine being right there right now. Like,
Over there, you can see Makapu'u Point. There, you can see Molokai behind it. And you can see Maui behind that. Either way, you see all of that on our east side. If we look over here to our west side, you will see Waianae, the factories. You see Pearl Harbor, you see the ships in Pearl Harbor. We see Haleiwa and very subtle parts of the North Shore there. We can see Chinaman's Hat, Kaneohe, the sandbar. Here's the peak of the Haiku Stairs, or Stairway to Heaven. There's the Kaneohe Marine Corps Base. And of course Honolulu, it's probably one of the best views on the island.
It's feeling good.
dude, I want to eat this. Is this good? Is this yum?
I don't know. I
It
want
is.
to know.
Inside looks
It isn't?
You know, let's just sacrifice one of us.
Daniel's sacrificing.
Oh shit, it's a raspberry.
Is it
Is it
really?
raspberry?
It's
think so.
just not a raspberry.
I don't know, but
No,
it
there
tastes
is
really
strawberry.
No, it tastes really sweet, I promise you.
It tastes sweet. I took in a little nibble, but I spit it out.
And we got our first sight of the Stairway to Heaven right there. We're having lunch right there. The guys are trying to get us to eat lunch up there, but...
Oh, I almost chucked this backpack and had the camera in it. Ready?
Yep.
This is the only spoon we have. Bon appetit.
it has been brought to my attention that by us standing here, the only thing holding us is that right there. And that.
Those rusty ass bolts.
But this whole piece of metal is held by these 2 points. Specifically the bolts. Because that flat bar isn't really attached. Those bolts are shot. So, just a matter of time before that thing falls off. But, it's beautiful.
That is straight down.
Get this thing running again.
That's exactly what I was gonna say. I think we just
Got a cranker right here.
Yeah, man.
There's a little
Nothing a little bit of PV blaster won't fix.
Exactly.
duct tape.
Maybe
Some duct tape.
maybe a new ignition coil.
None of that.